Hey, what's up? Ken from Palm Beach Dyno here. Behind me, I have one very special ride. Rob Little's 03 Cobra with a Gen 3 supercharged with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's take a look at it. This thing is super badass, super clean. I'd love to own this car. I've never owned a 03 Cobra. I started my tuning career tuning these. So this is really, really cool for me. It has a VMP blower on it. And like I said, full return system. It even has a badass cage in it. This thing is ready to rock. I believe Rob originally was building this for Limited Street, although I don't think he's going to race it in that. This car may be for sale. Like I said, features the 10-speed transmission and it runs on E85. It was here for some tuning issues. We've got those worked out. I think we're going to go ahead and do a pull right now, see what kind of power we're making. Let's go over the numbers. 902 and 652, 910 and 657 are our best two pulls. But this car, it's a great opportunity to remind you about the tires that you use when on a dyno. We always recommend a full street radial when on the dyno because it can handle the heat and you're gonna get much more consistent results. In this case, Rob had this car set up already with this tire on it. It's a drag tire, and over time, pull after pull, you're gonna lose power. So it's very easy to get distracted on the dyno and think you're losing power, but what's happening is the drag tire is getting hot. In this case, 883 and 646. But really in these cases, we're just following the data log and looking at the data and making sure everything's okay. We know for sure this is the tire. What's most important is what happens at the track, especially on a drag car. It's very easy to chase dyno numbers on a high-powered application, but track speed does not lie. So Rob is going to take this car to the track this Friday. We're headed to the track with him, and we'll catch some video of that, and you'll check it out right now.
Went 930.
Okay.
Didn't shift though.
I heard it. That's 60 foot though, man.
It went 135 on the 60.
Holy shit.
Hey, that bitch was
It's coming along.